So this news is absolutely insane, and it can definitely have the potential of absolutely destroying OpenSea. Why would you ever want to go to OpenSea to buy your NFTs or to put NFTs when you can do it directly through Coinbase and you already have your wallet and all of your crypto, directly integrated with everything? It's absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane that they're releasing this. I think that this can, not potentially, but I think as far as a mass movement towards NFTs and the amount of customers that Coinbase has, I think this is absolutely huge as far as NFT goes. But I think this is definitely going to be, a really good case for Coinbase to actually start releasing their own coin. I think it's eventually going to happen just like, crypto.com. It's going to happen with like Binance, like Cake, Sushi Swap, Uniswap, whatever, right? I still think that there's a really good chance that Coinbase releases their own crypto sometime soon, their own token, whatever. But I think this is absolutely insane, and I think that they can definitely kill, not necessarily kill, but I think Coinbase NFT is going to essentially be just the major competitor to OpenSea, where usually you just have Ethereum be the main way of payment. Now, if you're basically having Coinbase release NFTs, you're gonna be able to pay with Shiba, with Doggy, with ADA, basically anything on their platform. I feel like they would be able to accept. So super insane that this is actually happening with Coinbase, and big ups to them, because I do think that this is an insane movement for Coinbase. So super awesome to see.